giving bleached. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Dodge, and today I'm gonna try some creative makeup, y'all. I've been wanting to try the bleach brows so long, so we're gonna see how this goes. Like, I normally just do normal makeup, like I'm gonna insert some clips, boom, 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 boom. But today and this year, I want to get into my creative bag, my makeup bag. So I seen this girl, she looks so cute on Pinterest, and we're gonna get us a try. So I see she got bleach brows with a normal beat and a little bit of dark eye. We're gonna try that out. We're gonna take some cute pictures. Alright. My thought process is to use this very light concealer, medium 12 by Morphe. And then I also have this old P. Louise when I used to be into like the cut creases stuff. So we're gonna see. I'm so nervous. I didn't even do my base yet. I really feel like I just want to go in with it. Go in, you know? Like, why not? And then I know this is like very tan, and I want it to look more like bleached, you know? Oh my god, already. Let me know what other base is really good, because lately I feel like my under eyes been creasing really badly. So yeah, y'all, this is my new channel. I'm so nervous to start a new channel. Y'all, I've been doing content on my old channel since I was a teenager, like literally like 17 years old, doing content on that channel. And I really had to walk away from it because I feel like all my followers, and since I was not consistent like I should have been, I feel like all the people who were supporting me just left. Let me cook. Let me cook. I'm a little scared too. Let's get into it. So like I said, I've been kind of holding back on starting a new channel for a while, and if this is something I really want to do, like, which I really do take content creation serious, and I never like wanted to put out no garbage. So making a new channel, this is very scary for me. It's a very big step forward for me because it's like, it's me letting go. And then also, I don't do a lot of talking videos, or if I do talk, it's in the moment. So me just chopping it up with y'all while doing my makeup, this is something new, okay? So bear with me a little bit. What do y'all want to hear from me? So now I'm just gonna go on my foundation, because this is as good as we're gonna get, you know? I just don't know how to clean up around it without wiping it off. I was going for sexy alien. Is it giving? Ashes.
Clock it.
I feel like I'm proud of this, you know? This is like something I don't do. So I definitely got into my little creative bag. The picture, I don't know why I thought she had black on her eyes. She definitely did not have black on her eyes. It was underneath. So I messed up on my wing. Y'all, I still don't know how to do wing. Still. Let me put y'all on real quick. So look at this. A stamp. Y'all. With the pointy part. I still do not know how to do wing. And then even that, I be messing it up still. Like, how do you have a stamp and it still don't look identical? I ate that up. Oh, Jesus. Y'all, I feel like y'all need to come in. Come in close. Come in real close. She looks. Alright, if y'all love this, let me know. Comment down below. Did I cook? That's the real question. If y'all want to see more makeup tutorials, send me some stuff that I should do, because I'm really gonna get creative on here. And I'm really proud of my like self for this. Like, look at the, do y'all see like the black with the shimmer and the white and the lips? Baby, it looks like I'm finna go to the club. I'm finna go home. I'm literally not going anywhere. This is crazy, but I love it. Next time I go, I'm wearing it. See y'all next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Period.